In SAP Datasphere, a merge task is required to make data available in a single local table file, after the data has been written to the inbound buffer by a replication flow or the data product generator for SAP Business Data Cloud. A merge task can be initiated manually or scheduled from the local table file monitor. You can also include it in a task chain or automate the merge process at the time of replication flow creation. In this video, we will see how to run a merge task from the local table file monitor. Go to Monitoring, Data Integration, and then Local Table File Monitor. This monitor provides a quick overview of all local tables files. Looking at the Buffer Merge Status column, you can immediately identify which tables are waiting for data updates. From the monitor, I can either schedule a merge task or start one immediately by clicking Merge Table. Before launching the task, you have the option to adjust the Apache Spark settings for this specific run to match your requirements. The default value is 100, which is sufficient for most of the use cases, so I will keep it. Note that the default values are defined by an administrator when the space is created. I click Merge, and the task starts running. As you can see, the data is now merged and available in the local table. If you want to update the Apache Spark settings for all future merge task runs for this table, you can do that as well. Simply open the table details, go to the Settings tab, and update the Apache Spark configuration there. Keep in mind that when you define these defaults at the table level, they remain in effect even if the table is later added to a task chain or included in a scheduled merge task. And that's it for this video. Check out help.sap.com for more information. Thanks for watching.